Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say hexagone in French. How do you pronounce this word? For the story, this is how the French often refer to Metropolitan France, the France that is in Europe, because the shape of the country looks a little bit like an hexagon. Now, how do you pronounce this? In French, in France, it is said as hexagone or l'hexagone. L'hexagone. The H is silent at the beginning of hexagone, hexagone. So do not worry about it. L'hexagone is how it is said in French. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting French words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.